how to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on your following count to view the profiles that you're currently following. Now, to check if a user is following you back, go to their profile, go to their following, and if your profile is not at the top of their following list, it means that they are not following you back. So let me show you what it looks like if a person is following you back. So here, let me just choose this profile and then go to his following, and then my account is at the top of his following list. So that means that he is following me back. So if a user is not following you back, like for example, this one, I'm not at the top of his following list. So I'll just go back to his profile and select unfollow.